welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, today I'm here, as you guys already know, that I'll be sharing my facial routine with you all. Deep cleaning, and I think our skin rejuvenates like anything after having this little pamper session. And this is affordable. This is very hygienic. You can use your own products, and it's very good for your skin. Your skin will thank you later, trust me. And I'm doing this, I don't remember actually. I was really very young. I was in my college, I believe. So from that time onwards, I'm to this self pamper session. And facial being very expensive, and people does not actually do it really well. So if you are looking for a very good facial and stuff, then do go to a dermat and like a skin specialist who does actually know your skin and who will never do anything that will harm your skin. So yeah, it is very important. So my steps are really very easy, and it will definitely give you great results. That's a promise, guys. So yes, without further ado, please go and watch it. And before that, don't forget to subscribe to Makeup Mistress. It means the world to me, guys. Please. And don't forget to stalk me on Instagram and just go and follow me there too. So yeah, just go and watch now. So my first step is cleansing. So cleansing is the most important part of your daily skincare, and I'm using this Cetaphil one. This is very good for your skin. This is dermatologically tested, and my best tip to you is just try to use the face wash for at least a minute, and just massage it all over and then just wash it clean. And as you can see that I'm using a very a light-weighted towel, which is a microfiber one. Do try to use this and just pat it. And now I'm using this kind of a scrubber from Ollie Lifestyle. It is a brand which is made in India, and it's a very good product, a very good brand. I have used so many of their products because they usually send these to me. But trust me, because this is not sponsored at all, and I don't speak of such things. I just love this brand. I love their product. So this is their Let It Glow scrub. It is kind of a massage scrub thingy. So you have to just apply it all over and wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you have to just use just wet your fingers and then just massage this scrub into your skin. And again you have to wait for more 5 minutes and then just wash it clean. This removes the tan, the clogged pores, the blackheads, the whiteheads, and it gives your face that fresh feeling. Trust me, guys. And you get both sizes. Well, they have a facial kit also, so where you get the smaller amount, or else you can just get a bigger size, like a full size bottle. So I'll leave the link to their website down in the description. So if you want to buy their product, you can definitely. The brand is really great, and it is available on Amazon as well. And you can see that I'm focusing on the areas that I get tan, that I get blackheads and deposition of oil and sebum. So yes, down the cheek, like chin area, cheeks, nose. So yeah, and focusing on those areas, and then just wiping my face clean with this microfiber towel. And now it's time for this nose pore strip. I know a lot of you have a lot of views about these strips. They are not good, they're not great for your skin, stuff like that. But I think it works for me, and I don't have massive pores or massive blackheads, so this one kind of worked for me, and I love doing this once in a while. And I feel good. So basically some things are there, like there are a few things which are really very subjective. It really things that it is always on the person who is using it. and I know I cannot mess up with them with my skin. So yeah, before I go on to the face masking, I always ensure that my eye area is moisturized. So I use any under eye cream or gel on the eye area and massage it, because you know what, we do not apply any face mask on the eye area. We always leave the eye area and then just use the face mask. So by that time, what happens is our eye area gets really very dry. So that is what I don't want. And I have applied some lip balm, and which I am just scrubbing off with the help of this microfiber towel. This is again a very great tip for your lip exfoliation. Other than that, you can buy any, or you can use sugar and honey and stuff like that. And finally, I'm just applying this Vaseline lip balm, and time to remove it. This is the best part. I feel so good, I feel so great. And now I'm using this Mama Upton face mask. This is so crazy, man. This is such a good face mask. Well, Mama's products are really great. Well, they don't pay me, but they are good. And after it dried, I have just washed it and just dried my face up. Now it's time for using some again more oily lifestyle product. This is their magic potion. This is kind of their aloe vera gel with turmeric. I just use this all over my face. The reason is I'm gonna shave my face, because once a week I do shave my face, or maybe in a 15 days. So it depends. So whenever I shave my face, I make sure to wet it with water or some aloe vera gel. It's great. You'll never get any bump or rashes or anything of that sort. Trust me, you can try this one. I love facial shaving. It is not at all harmful. It is not at all painful. It does not get very massive hair growth, nothing like that. So it's great. It's super cool for me. Now I'm wiping off the extra aloe vera gel that is there, and after this I'll use some like oil. This is the facial oil from Indulgio. This is their gold flake oil, and this is so hydrating, guys. This is the best kind of facial oil you can ever get, and it's great for oily skin. And now I'm using this jade roller all over my face, and this will ensure that my face is very nicely massaged and tightened, and the pores are doing great. And at last I'll just use my fingers to just massage and just get all things together. So yes, guys, that was it. That was the pamper session that I follow, like my pamper facial, whatever you like to call, that I do once in a week, which I really make sure that I do. I do not use any sheet mask this day, because sheet masks are for my emergency, like the day I have to attend any party or any other place. That day itself, or the day, like the night before, I just use a sheet mask so that I get that glow and stuff, that instant thing. But other than that, I just follow this kind of a routine, like a deep cleaning, deep massage, and like a pamper thing once in a week, or maybe 15 days. Once in 15 days you can follow, but then I prefer it once in a week, and that really helps me, because I put on makeup like almost 2 to 3 days a week, and I go out a lot, and yeah, I have to take care of my skin, like I think everyone should. So yeah, that was it, that I think I was like seriously eager to share with you. And this can be this kind of a skincare can be done by everyone and anyone. So yeah, please do that, and make sure to take care of your skin really well. And I'll see you guys really soon with some new content. Till then, stay gorgeous, guys.